Okay, so I have very few hints for you on this first one, but I think what I give you should be plenty to get you by. So let me refocus my camera here. It's a little blurry. That'll have to do. So remember, to find the volume, you're going to do the length times the width times the height. So here my length is 5 1/3 centimeters times 2/3 centimeters times 1 1/3 centimeters. So remember, these are all mixed numbers, well, except for the middle one. So I'm going to change that into an improper fraction by multiplying 5 times 3. That gives me 15. And then adding 1, that will give me 16. So come on, camera, focus up. You can do it. 16 thirds times 2/3 remains the same. And then 1 1/3. 1 times 3 is 3. Add 1 is 4/3. So now we just multiply across to get our volume here. So here, I could think of it as, well, the bottom is going to be 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. And then up top, this one's a little more challenging, 2 times 8, or 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 16 is what I'm doing then. If I do 16 times 8, that's going to give me, oh man, this is just so not focused. If I do 16 times 8, 8 times 6 is 8, 48, right? Carry the 4, and then 128. So 128 over 27 centimeters cubed, since it's volume. Okay, so, oh man, I just gave you the answer. I forgot it was a hint video. Oh well, you got that, so you're welcome. But now I'm going to force you to think about this the rest of the way. So in this last part, geez, I'm the worst teacher. Across is 5 1/3 centimeters, so 0. All the way up to 5, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's 1/3 cube units. Okay, so that means I need to fit, 5 1/3, so I need to go all the way to 6. So I want to find how many thirds would fit between here. Well, between 1 and 0, you know that there's 1, 2, 3, so keep going all the way up to 5 1/3. For going backwards, we only need to go 2/3 centimeters, so 0, 1/3, 2/3. So how many 1/3s fit into 2/3? And then lastly, you need to go up, and you need to go up 1 1/3 centimeters. So here's 1, and then 1 and there's 1/3, 2/3. There we go. We have 1/3, 2/3, 1, and 1/3. So how many thirds would fit here? So then use that to multiply and figure out what the volume is, and a different, or not the volume, but to prove how many unit cubes will fit. Use that to think about. All right? So use all those hints. Obviously, I gave you a really big one right there. Use that to help you out.